Magdi-discuss Pretty Coach, Coach Chen Giliarte, the role of protein diet and exercise. Thank you!
Thank you, Coach Jessie. Magandang umaga po, Pilipinas. Thank you po sa pag-join nyo today. Sa mga nandito po sa Zoom and of course yung mga nasa FB Live. Magandang umaga o hapon, tanghali, gabi kung meron man pong nag-tune in around the world. So, happy first month of October sa inyong lahat. And 3 months na lang or ayan, tama, 3 months to go and another year will come, 'di ba? So talagang ang bilis ng panahon. So by the way, ako po si Cheng Giliarte, turning 32 this month. Oh my God. Parang hindi ko naman ramdam na 32 ako. So yung amazing journey ko po with Herbalife, ang nag-start lang din po sa isang nutrition club. Ginamit ko po yung program, yung products for weight loss, for sports nutrition as a Dragon Boat athlete, and sa aking 2 pregnancies as prenatal supplements and nutrition partner, of course with the approval of and consent of my OB. So up until now, I am still using it as postnatal and the recovery, of course, kasi nagbe-breastfeeding po ako for 2 years and counting. Still counting, amen. So with that, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko po is yung energy na nakuha ko, and bonus na lang po yung weight loss, and ang nagustuhan ko din, meron akong coach na nagga-guide sa akin. Meron akong meal guide, meron akong nakuhang mga tips kung paano ko makukuha yung aking ideal weight, ideal shape, ayan. So, yung mga favorite products ko bukod sa Aloe Tea Shake na aking healthy breakfast and snacks, um, of course, my favorite, Rebuild, Nightworks, NRG, Extra Cal, Vitamins and Minerals, Fiber and Herb, Mineral Herbal Complex, Herbal Lifeline. Ayan. So, yan yung mga favorite products ko na aking i-highlight. And before, ang aking background po ay isang special education teacher. So, when I was a teacher, hindi ko po nakita yung sarili ko na I will grow old. Kumbaga tatanda ako na maging teacher kasi hindi ko po gusto yung meron akong deadlines, meron akong boss, meron po akong hinahabol na time na 8 to 5. So hindi ko rin po gusto na lagi akong natatraffic sa daan. So with that, um, joining this community, this very positive, healthy, happy, supportive community. So doon ko po nakita yung potential na pwede ko po pala itong gawin as a full-time mom now of 2. So I have 2 Herbalife babies, amazing. So with that, nakita ko po dito sa community na i-recognize ka po, and even the smallest thing. So talagang yun po yung nagustuhan ko. And of course, yung rewards and yung mga trainings na talagang mapupuno ka all aspects ng iyong life. So, of course, yung pagiging flexible yung time, and you can do this around your family schedule, kahit na kung nasaan ka man, di ba? Kahit naka-phone ka lang, you can do this. So, yun po talaga yung nagustuhan ko, and na naitulong ng Herbalife opportunity. So let's go po sa ating topic for today, which is how to build muscle effectively. The role of protein, diet, and exercise. So ito pong article ay galing kay Susan Bowerman, and of course, makikita po natin ito sa website ng herbalife.com. So si Susan Bowerman po ay ating Senior Director ng Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training. Napaka-helpful po ng mga articles na sinishare ng ating mga scientific experts. So, um, kung tatanungin po natin yung most of the people kung paano ba mag-build ng muscle, probably yung mga isasagot is kumain ka na ng protein, mag-take ka ng protein, protein, more protein, puro ganun ang sasabihin. Pero protein alone ay hindi siya magiging effective. So kailangan natin mag-pay attention, of course, sa diet din and yung exercise routine as well. So bakit ba it takes more than just protein to build muscle? So mostly ganito yung nangyayari. yung mga tao na gusto nilang mag-bulk up, so of course, gusto rin nilang mag-lose ng body fat. So yun yung madalas na goal ng mga tao. And then ang gagawin nila, kakain sila ng maraming protein. And then, sasamahan nila ng strength training routine. Kasi nga, building muscle. So, strength training ang exercise. Of course, magli-lead yun ng increase ng lean muscle mass, di ba? And of course, i-consider din nila na magka-cut sila ng calories nila. So, gusto nilang mag-shred. Yun yung term nila. Gusto nilang mag-shred. But, kung magka-cut ng calories, did you know na yung ibang protein na kinakain is pwedeng mapunta lang sa pagbe-burn as fuel rather than magamit siya as support muscle development. Okay? So yun yung nangyayari. Napupunta lang siya to burn. Ayan.
Tapos go.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yung mga tao, no? Dahil nga po.
So, para naman po, malaman natin how to effectively build muscle mass ba? Ano ba ang kailangan? So, ito, we need enough calories and the right balance of nutrients. Again, enough calories and the right balance of nutrients para ma-support yung overall activity natin when we are building muscles. So, ayan po ang key or the formula. So, enough calories and the right balance of nutrients. So, how can we achieve that? How can we get that? So, of course, kailangan natin mag-fuel up ng carbohydrates. Diba? So, most ng mga bodybuilders or kahit regular lang na nag-exercise, iniisip nila yung carbs, kaaway nila yan, ina-avoid nila, but it's a mistake. Kasi you just have to know the right carbohydrates na i-fuel mo para maka-help sa exercise mo or sa activity mo. Of course, para ma-feed din yung working muscles mo. So, hindi natin kalaban or kaaway ang carbohydrates. We just have to know yung right carbohydrates na iti-take natin, which we can found sa mga whole grains, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Ayan po ang mga good sources ng carbohydrates. And ano pa? We should also get some healthy fats. So meron tayong nakukuhang fatty acids. Ito yung mga building blocks ng dietary fats na kailangan ng ating katawan. And did you know na um, hindi siya our body can't make it yung fatty acid. So we need to get it from foods, 'di ba? So ito yung mga nuts, seeds, avocado, fatty fish, olive oil. And yung katawan natin nagre-rely siya sa fat para ma-fuel up yung exercise natin, lalo na kung moderate intensity yung exercise mo. Okay? So, kailangan din ng fats in our body. And ano pa, kailangan din ng protein intake and yung timing niya is very important din. So merong tinatawag na muscle protein synthesis. So nasi-stimulate to sa katawan kapag meron kang strength training activity and when you are taking protein, when you are eating enough protein. Ayan. Of course, very crucial yung protein sa muscle development. So yung mga sources ng protein, we can get it sa either plant or animal para yun nga, ma-provide yung necessary building blocks sa muscle protein synthesis. And paano ba yun? Of course, may variety ka ng protein sources para ma-prolong yung release ng amino acid sa system or sa ating katawan. So, nagbigay si Susan Bowerman ng example is the dairy products. So, yung dairy products ay sa animal source po yun nakukuha. So, when we take dairy products, meron po siyang two proteins, which is whey and casein. Yung whey, yun po yung fast-acting protein. So mabilis po siyang ma-burn sa katawan. Why? While when we take casein, ito naman yung longer na nagpa-process sa ating katawan. So magandang combination yung whey and casein. But hindi naman po necessary na you get to animal sources. Kanina nga nabanggit po, meron tayong rebuild strength, di ba? So if you want to get to know more about rebuild strength, try it. So add to cart muna. Talagang hindi ka walang tapon sa rebuild strength talaga. Amazing with rebuild strength. So ito, let's have more best diet and nutrition tips for building muscle. So number 1, ito ang madalas na tinatanong, paano ko ba malalaman yung protein intake ko during the day? And gano kadami ako kakain during the day? So we aim for 3 regular meals and a couple of snacks. Of course, kasama dyan ang balance ng carbohydrates and protein. Okay? So, yun po yung kailangan nating spread yung protein sa 3 regular meals and a couple of snacks. Ayan. So, number 2, ano naman ang kailangang kainin bago mag-workout? So, for fluids or liquids, suggested is 2 cups of water 2 to 3 hours beforehand. So, meron kang 2 cups, okay? And another cup about 15 to 20 minutes before. So, before mismo ng pag-start mo ng workout. And about sa food naman, kapag medyo mahaba-haba pa yung oras na ilalaan bago ka mag-exercise, you can have a regular breakfast, which is sabi ni Susan Bowerman, like eggs, yung yogurt, soy milk, fruit, milk, ganyan. And if you are medyo malapit na mag-start ang iyong workout, onting oras na lang or kahit 10 minutes na nga lang, ganyan. So ang suggested is the protein shake para it takes less time to digest. And not just protein shake, but you include yung source ng carbohydrates like fruits, vegetables, sweet potato, carrots, yan, even rolled oats, yan. So pwede mo siyang ihalo sa iyong protein shake. Of course, we have our protein shake, the Herbalife Nutritional Shake Mix, 'di ba? We have 5 flavors. And ano naman ang kakainin natin after mag-workout? So ito very important din, after we exercise, we need a good recovery ng healthy carbohydrates and 10 to 20 grams of, take note, nakalagay, high quality protein to help them repair and recover. Okay? So, high quality protein, di ba? Tandaan nyo yan, high quality protein. Not 10 to 20 grams. So, okay, pasok na pasok dito ang rebuild strength talaga. And number 4, what are good snacks between meals? So, talagang hina-highlight ang balance ng protein and carbohydrates. Okay? So, lagi nyong i-include ang balanced protein and carbohydrates. And paano naman magigain ng muscle without putting on fat? Of course, we choose yung mga lean proteins na nakukuha natin just like sa fish, sa mga low-fat dairy products yan, poultry, tofu, di ba? And choose also healthy carbohydrates. 'Di ba? So talagang naririndi tayo sa proteins, carbohydrates, 'di ba? So of course, healthy carbohydrates, ito yung mga complex which is nakukuha natin sa fruits, vegetables, sa whole grains, 'di ba? Overdone sa mga refined carbohydrates which is nakukuha natin sa sugar, sa mga starches, 'di ba? So yan. Talagang we need to have a healthy balance, enough nutrients, diba? And calories. So, what is really amazing, Herbalife has this global nutrition philosophy na this is what our body needs, yung 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, 30% fats, and kung makikita nyo dyan, hindi lang po yun ang kailangan para maging holistic and maging balance yung approach natin. We also need to have our hydration, rest, exercise, and healthy habits. So total package po with this global nutrition philosophy with Herbalife. And take note po, very important po yung rest kasi dyan po talagang mas nagre-recover and nagre-repair yung muscles. So kung wala pong proper rest, sayang lang po yung workout, yung exercise, yung diet without a proper and talagang solid na rest. Okay? So with that, saan ka pa po ba makakakuha ng, sabi nga kanina, high quality protein, di ba? Of course, dito na sa Herbalife that has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines and in number 1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined and weight management and well-being and active and lifestyle nutrition. So thank you po and have your October best. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you, Coach Cheng. Ang ganda-ganda ng ating topic for today.